Hi. Welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today the topic we're about to discuss is MyAnimeList's star rating system. And also the making of anime tops. Firstly, if you don't know what MyAnimeList is, let me explain really quickly what is it. MyAnimeList or MAL abbreviated is one of the main anime database and social pages at the present time. You can find almost anything you want to know about nearly any existing anime. You can keep track of what anime and episodes you have watched, read and comment on forum discussions and even find everything related to manga as well. Among many other functions, today we are going to focus on the star rating system. The star rating system is the way in which animes receive mark from 1.00 to 10.00 based on the average made by all registered users. You can vote from any whole number between 1 and 10, not 0. With the respective 10 adjectives to describe this ratings, in order: appalling, horrible, very bad, average, fine, good, very good, great and masterpiece. At first this system can look really helpful because you can share your opinion to whoever checks your profile and also contribute to the average mark displayed on the anime's database. Also, there's an option on all MAL entries which is called statistics. In statistics you can check how many votes have been given to each of the 10 marks possible. So you can make one of those counters go up by 1 and making it visible. The problem comes when comparing two different anime. Imagine we have an anime called Alpha and other one called Beta. If Alpha's mark is 7.13 and Beta's one is 6.98, everyone will say that Alpha is a better anime than Beta, which must be right based on everyone's individual opinion. But leads to misconceptions, and that brings me to the next point, making anime tops. When making anime tops you order anime series from number 1, the best, till number X, the worst. In MyAnimeList there's no sign of what are you valuing when voting for an anime's mark. The only thing visible are those adjectives which I mentioned earlier. This is where we enter the subjective part. In my opinion, you can say that Alpha is a better anime than Beta because Beta's animations are worse, the plot is not well made because it has logic mistakes, or maybe there's an editing glitch. But, if we compare two anime series that are perfectly animated and made, then, there just can't be a defined winner. Think about it first, taking two famous real animes, like Sword Art Online and Sakura Su. Which anime is better? The most probable answer will be Sao, as it's the longest and most famous, but that's wrong. Then it is Sakura Sao, right? No, both animes are good because they are well animated and have an objectively logic plot. In this case, we have two different genres. Let's take into account now an example with two real animes of the same genre. Sakura Sao, as before, and Kenobi. Now, which one is better? Clearly now there should be a winner because they are in the same genre and therefore now we don't have the problem of having two different classes, right? Well, the answer is, nope. We do have that difference, because Sakura Sao isn't slice of life anime, but focusing on the lives of people living together on a special building, while Kenobi is too and slice of life, but this time showcasing the daily meetings of members of a school club. If we go on, we can find two stories really similar to each other, as an instance, Takagi-san and Nagatoro-san. But the thing is, even if we find two stories of almost 100% of things in common, there will always be a difference between them and therefore, not a clear winner, because you will be trying to add two apples with 3 bananas, impossible. In conclusion, every existing anime explores a different area, story or possibility in this world, or even other worlds, like the isekai genre. We can only speak about an anime being better than other when it doesn't have objective mistakes as editing mistakes, audio glitches or other types of coding fails. I still have something interesting to consider. Between two animes there can be an exception and have an anime better than other, comparing not the objective mistakes like those glitches or bugs, but the subjective parts. As in the question, what anime is better in showcasing school life? But, the thing is that what we are actually doing is creating a mark to make a top on how much an anime is close to the type of story we are looking. It would be a compatibility test, we won't be measuring the actual anime, that's how we solve this exception. So in the end, what do the stars in my anime list represent? Well, that's really up to you, and everyone who has voted. Thank you for watching today's video. What are your opinions about this topic? Feel free to leave your comment. You can add suggestions for future videos, too. Remember that if your comment gets pinned, I will have added your suggestion to my future video list. Bye.